Students, this is the full surface of the brain, and today I am going to demonstrate the fourth ventricle. So this is the frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, and this is the cerebellum, which is called a small brain, and it is a part of hindbrain. So the cerebellum forms mainly the roof of the fourth ventricle, and floor is formed mainly by the pons and medulla oblongata, and you can clearly make out the basilar artery, which is formed by the union of two vertebral arteries. So once you cut the pons here, cerebellum, the vermis of cerebellum is cut here. You will enter into the fourth ventricle. So here is the roof I have removed, and you can see the fourth ventricle here. Clearly you can make out the colliculus, superior and inferior colliculus of midbrain, and here is the pons, and here is the open part of medulla oblongata, and this is the closed part of medulla oblongata, which forms the roof of the floor of the fourth ventricle, and roof is mainly formed by the cerebellum that I have cut, and the T-shaped choroid plexus will be present in the fourth ventricle. So what you can make out in the fourth ventricle is, it is a diamond shaped structure, and the two ventricles, the ventricle is demarcated, the two parts are demarcated by what you call as median sulcus. So this is a median sulcus here, and on either side of median sulcus you get the median eminence. One elevation is there, elevation you can make out here, that is called as facial colliculus. So this is a facial colliculus that is formed by the winding round of the facial nerve, and lower part of the medulla oblongata you can make out the vagal triangle and the hypoglossal triangle. So tip part of the fourth ventricle, that is called as area postrema. So this is area postrema, which is the center of vomiting. So in the medulla oblongata you will get the cardiac and respiratory centers by hypoglossal triangle and vagal triangle. So mainly the hypoglossal nucleus and vagal nucleus is present. So this cerebral aqueduct of third ventricle will continue with the fourth ventricle, and fourth ventricle will have connection to the spinal cord, to the central canal of spinal cord, and there are two openings called as foramen of Magendie in the center and foramen of Lashka. If these openings blocked, it causes hydrocephalus. Thank you.